What is a computer? It's a device that can be programmed. It accepts input. It follows a set of instructions to process that input, and there are a set of instructions which have been stored in advance, and then it produces some output. Now, when you're creating those instructions, you're coding, you're writing code for the computer. You're writing a set of instructions that the computer can interpret, that the computer can understand, and translate that into action that it performs on data. Those instructions can be written in all sorts of programming languages, and we have great general purpose languages like Python and JavaScript. We have some lovely teaching languages which help children and others come to terms, develop an understanding of what coding, of what programming is, such as Scratch. And then we have really simple sets of instructions, very simple programming languages, such as the forward, backward, left, right commands that you might find on a very simple floor turtle. I think that's a great introduction to programming. But please do understand that that is still programming. It is creating a set of instructions for this digital device, the little robot here, to follow. Programming is really a two-step process. The first step is deciding how you're going to solve the problem. And the next step is then implementing that as code on that particular device, on that particular system. So if our problem is how do we get the floor turtle from here up to the X here, our algorithm is going to be something along the lines of let's trundle forward, let's turn left, and then let's trundle forward again. But when we come to programming that on this particular floor turtle, we'll type in forward 1, forward again, then turn left and move forward, forward, forward. And a program like that is all we need to solve that particular problem. Okay, it's a very simple problem. It's a very simple set of commands there. But that at its heart is what programming is, coming up with those commands to solve a particular problem. And it's great if you're teaching this to get children to make their prediction of where they think the little B-shaped robot is going to end up when we press the green Go button and execute those commands.